Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga miracle full body stretch. Feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin seated in any comfortable position and just circling the head, maybe just rocking the head side to side, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. Feeling out all the clicks and ticks. And we'll come back to center, sitting up nice and tall. Go ahead and take the left wrist in line with the left shoulder and begin to alternate between pointing the fingertips up, pressing into the palm of the hand, and then drawing the fingertips down towards the mat. Again, just keep alternating here, moving at your own pace. And whenever you're ready, we'll just go ahead and plant the hand just beside you, straight down, keeping that arm straight or gentle bend in the elbow. Staying here if that's enough of a stretch, or begin to draw the right ear towards the right shoulder. So you're getting that full stretch throughout the neck, the shoulder, and the arm. Staying right here, or find some movement rocking the head forward and back. Gently release, shake it out, and we'll switch sides. Again, just alternating here, pointing the fingertips up and then down. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and plant that right hand beside you, straight down, staying here, or go ahead and draw the left ear towards the left shoulder. Staying right here, or begin to find some movement, rocking the head forward and back. And we'll gently release. Go ahead and find some movement within the waist, circling the waist. Again, just feeling out all the clicks and ticks. You can even rock side to side if that feels better today. Remember to go opposite direction. Coming back to center, sit tall. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards your left. Inhale the hands back up. Exhale, side stretch towards your right. Now we'll do this as a bit of a sequence. Inhaling the hands back up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards your left. Inhale to sit tall. Exhale to soften the shoulders. And again, just inhale up overhead. Exhale, twisting to your right. Again, inhale to sit tall. Exhale, soften the shoulders. Now we'll move a little faster here, moving with the breath. Inhale, reach up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards your left. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side stretch towards your right. Inhale, reach up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards your left. Gentle movements here. Inhale the hands back up. Exhale, twisting towards your right. Now feel free to go a little slower. We'll do that one more time, moving at your own pace. And we'll gently release. Shake it out. Take a moment. And then we'll come to our tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. Again, just continue syncing breath with movement, and feel free to just kind of flow wherever the body takes you, finding some organic movement if that feels better today. No rules, just whatever the body needs. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and tuck the toes. This is completely optional. Feel free to continue your cat-cows or organic movement. Or you can tuck the toes, send the hips towards the heels, reaching forward here for less intensity, or go ahead and sit up on the heels. Again, lean forward, taking some of the weight off of the heels if it is too intense. And maybe even just gently rocking side to side. And we'll release, shaking out the toes. Take a moment, and whenever you're ready, we'll tuck the toes again, sending the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here, bending one knee, bend the other. A great trick here is to press the mat away from your hands and feet, softening the neck, shoulders away from the ears, tailbone up towards the sky. Be strong. Inhale, lifting that left leg, and as you exhale, just step that left foot between the hands, planting the right knee to the mat. Coming right into a low lunge. Take a moment here to adjust. Take as long as you need. Now you can keep the hands on the mat, or even place some blocks underneath the hands for added height support. Or inhale as you reach the hands up overhead. Keep them here or take them into heart center. Exhale. Or resting the hands on your knees. On your knee. And we'll gently release, tucking the back toes, plant the hands, step it back into plank. Full inhale, and as you exhale, plant the knees lower halfway. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Untuck the toes. Tucking the toes, sending the hips back for down dog. Walk it out, take a moment. And when you're ready, right leg lifts. Exhale, step it between the hands, low lunge. Take whatever variation feels best for you. Embracing the wiggles and shakes here. Be strong. Engage the legs, the core. Feeling a bit of warmth happening here. We'll go ahead and plant the hands to the mat. As you exhale, step it back into plank. Take a full breath. Feel free to plant the knees or just lower halfway, chaturanga if that feels best. Inhale, untuck the toes, up dog or cobra. As you exhale, plant the knees, sending the hips all the way towards the heels for child's pose. Option here to place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso if that feels best today. Don't be shy to modify. Listen to the body. You should feel good throughout the entire practice. We'll begin drawing the breath into the chest. And as you exhale, softening the shoulders, the upper back, the arms, the hands. We'll begin to draw the breath into the belly. As you inhale, expanding the lower back, so just feeling the waistband getting a bit tighter here around your lower back. As you exhale, softening the hips, the ankles, the feet, the toes. Resting here, or go ahead and interlace the fingers behind your back, pressing the fists towards the back of the mat. You can keep the hands resting at your tailbone or begin to lift the fists up towards the sky. Again, staying wherever you feel most comfortable. Continuing to breathe here, observing the stretch. On your next inhale, go ahead and engage the core, lifting through the fists, lifting the torso all the way up. Take your gaze up, gentle back bend. As you exhale, go ahead and round through the spine, seated cat pose. And release. We'll place the hands on our thighs, palms facing up, giving ourselves some gratitude for showing up to the mat today. Know that you did amazing. Know that this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.